That's Thom Richard flapping his arms like he's going to be taking off, and he will be shortly in
Scott, there's a trend here today. What is it with pilots and B&Bs? Thom himself opened up a gorgeous bed and breakfast at his home airport for students and other visitors to eat, sleep, and breathe aviation 24/7. That's what it is. It's the passion that these men and women have for this industry and what they do.
just because it has to be proficient enough to fly these airplanes. It's being dedicated enough to maintain them. And keep in mind, I mean, you can't call up Cessna or Piper and say, hey, I need a new engine to go on the airplane. I can only imagine. I'm sure the guys in the members of the Air Force could speak to that, just how difficult it is to find parts. I love seeing these guys soar. Hey, did you mention the American?
It's October, so if you'd like to fly any of Tom's beautiful aircraft yourself, go talk to his trusty team after the show by the P-40. Schedule a flight with Tom.
Yeah, we've been doing aviation photography.
There were quite a few R4Ds that visited what is now DeKalb-Peachtree Airport.
Yeah, people forget just what an active trainer.